I stated before, this is just the beginning, what we can do, and what Sterling's done, what he's brought to here. Filming the majority of it on our reservation, I mean, that says a lot.
It's such a huge honor. It's been so wonderful. I'm literally at a loss for words for being here. It's so mind-blowing because I never would have thought I would have been able to be part of a show like this, and or even the fact that it's got a second season still blows me away.
What's it like working with them?
Yeah, how was that?
Amazing, man. It's like feels like my home shit.
Now it's like when I go out somewhere, I'll get noticed, and it's definitely been a bit of a change, but I'm like getting a bit more used to it. I don't think I ever fully will though.
I mean, it's amazing because like growing up, I never had a role model. Like we didn't really have much role models to look up to as like Native kids. I always wanted to be an actress growing up, but I was too shy to tell all my friends. I was scared I'd get made fun of. But now, like little kids, like they have people like to look up to now, so they don't have to worry about that.
You look beautiful. I'm with the Indian country today. I see